Today I want to take a look at finding slope of lines that are negative. Okay, so anytime that you see a line that's slanting downward, you know that the slope is going to be negative. So if you look at a graph moving left to right and the line is moving up, your slope is positive. If you're looking from left to right, you see that this one, the line is moving down, your slope is going to be negative. Okay, so let's take a look at number 2 here. Okay, we're going to, instead of now counting up for our rise, now we're going to count down to get closer to that second point. So let's count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. Okay, so our rise is negative 5 because we're moving down. And our run is still going to be positive, okay, because we're still moving to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our slope will be negative 5 over 5, which is going to simplify to negative 1. Okay, anytime you have the same number on top as the bottom, your answer is going to be 1, but it has to be negative here, okay, because you have a negative sign in front of that 5. So let me clear that out because I want to try another one with a downward sloping line. All right, so let's take a look here at example number 5. Again, right away we know our slope has to be negative because the line is moving down. If you're looking from left to right, your line is sloping downwards as if you were going down a hill. So first, let's find our negative rise. So we're going to start at this first point. We're going to slide down until we line up with the second point here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our rise is negative 3. Our run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our slope is negative 3 over 9, which equals negative 1/3. Again, if you Google fraction simplifier, you'll be able to find something that easily simplifies these fractions for you. All right, let's see if I can squeeze in one more quick sample, and then we'll be done. See if I can find another negative slope. Yep, here we go. Number 7. Okay, again, this has to be negative slope because your line is going down. Okay, so let's find our slope for number 7. Here's our rise. Again, we have to move downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a rise of negative 4. And we have a run of 1, 2, 3. So our slope here is negative 4/3, which we can't simplify, so we can just leave it as is. Thank you for watching, and I hope to move on soon to finding slope from 2 different points without a graph and finding slope from a table.